Get your creative juices flowing with these 5 ways to use gelatos from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. Gelatos are a water-soluble pigment stick. They have a soft, silky texture that is similar to lipstick. They come in several colors and can be used on numerous surfaces. The first surface is paper, which is the most popular. You can dry blend the colors, use wet techniques, and even incorporate them into home decor pieces like this colored photo mat. The second surface is ceramics. You can use a wet paintbrush to add color, or you can add gelatos directly to the surface and blend like this ceramic pumpkin. The third surface to use gelatos on is cardboard. You can either apply the color directly onto the surface and blend, or prime it with gesso and drip wet color over it like on this M. The fourth surface is fabric. You can use a stencil and dry blend for a crisp design, add water for a more blurred look, or prime it with gesso and add gelatos just like on this fabric clutch. The fifth surface to use gelatos on is wood. Simply add color to the surface and use a dry sponge or your finger to blend. Gelatos blend beautifully on wood, as you can see on this gather sign. With so many surfaces and techniques, let your creativity run wild with gelatos from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. You can find gelatos in the art aisle of your arts and crafts retailer.